We begin tonight with a follow-up on License to Kill, a 17 News investigation into dangerous drivers and how the California DMV allows them to keep their licenses. There are holes in the DMV point system that in some cases allow dangerous drivers to stay on our roadways. 17's Connor Dorr spoke with a local attorney about the DMV point system and files this report.
Last week, we covered the story of Baljit Singh, a commercial truck driver who killed a man in Kern County and then less than a year later, still with a valid license, killed a woman in Fresno County. It wasn't until after he was convicted on both cases that his license got suspended and then revoked. Matt Clark, attorney at Cohn Clark, has seen a lot of cases involving dangerous drivers.
I mean, these are people that have been cited over and over again, potentially convicted over and over again, and yet they're still out on the road.
But how could a driver squeak through the system and stay licensed? The California DMV uses a point system, like many states across the country, to assess a driver's safety on the road. The state's DMV point system has high thresholds, often letting dangerous drivers face no consequences. The state will suspend a driver's license after a driver accumulates 4 points in a year, 6 points in 2 years, and 8 points in 3, which doesn't sound like much until you learn vehicular manslaughter is a 2-point hit on your license. A speeding ticket is 1 point. Using your phone while driving is 0.
There are instances where things are just falling through the cracks, and for whatever reason, you have people who have accumulated enough points to where their license should be suspended, and it doesn't appear that that's happening.
For example, Danielle Debsky, who had 3 tickets for speeding before crashing into and killing a man while on a cocktail of drugs in 2022, she was convicted, but neither the speeding tickets or the deadly crash show up on her driving record. Her license is still valid. Let's talk about that. The speeding tickets add up 1, 2, 3 points on Debsky's license. The dead man, that is 2 points. Now, if you add those up, that's 5 points in the span of 7 months. Under the current DMV point system, her license should be suspended.
If you've got somebody who you know cannot act responsibly with a motor vehicle, and now you're again entrusting them with a, 6,000 pound, which some of these vehicles are now, missile going down the highway, you're begging for bad consequences.
When we asked the DMV about this, a spokesperson said, quote, "The department carefully reviews each traffic incident and takes action under California law as appropriate." Connor Dorr, 17 News.